Hi friends, welcome to another episode of my cooking rubric. Today I will share with you a traditional Bulgarian recipe for the most famous Bulgarian salad, the SHOPSKA salad. There will be a list in description with the ingredients and the proportions, so make sure to check it out. You are going to need cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, onions, feta cheese, parsley, olives, salt, olive oil, and vinegar. Start by peeling the cucumber and the tomato, and you can see recipes where people don't remove the skin of the tomato and the cucumber. However, I like to do it because tomato skin can actually irritate the stomach. Then clean the pepper of its parts. And then cut and clean the onions. It's time to cut the veggies, so start by cutting the cucumber and the tomato into cubes and add them to the plate. The order of the vegetables in the plate is very important to the SHOPSKA salad. So you're gonna start with the cucumbers, and then on top you are going to add the tomatoes. Then chop the onions and the pepper and then add them to the plate in that order, onions and then peppers. Chop the parsley and then sprinkle it on top of the salad. Add the vinegar, the olive oil, and the salt. Generously shred the feta cheese on top of the salad, and yes, it has to be shredded. And the last part is the decoration, and the salad looks like a tower. And on top, decorate with parsley and an olive, and that's it. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you are interested in such videos and you haven't done that yet, then please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so that you'd get notifications every Friday when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye!